Homes in high-humidity areas face unique challenges when it comes to maintaining comfort, air quality, and long-term durability. Excess moisture in the air can affect everything from indoor temperatures to the condition of building materials. That's why choosing the right windows is so important. Double-hung windows, known for their classic design and versatility, are a reliable option that can perform well even in humid environments when properly selected and maintained. Double-hung windows are designed with two movable sashes that slide vertically, allowing you to open either the top, bottom, or both. This feature plays a key role in how they handle humidity. By opening both sashes, you create a natural airflow cycle. Cool air enters through the bottom while warm, moist air escapes through the top. This type of ventilation helps reduce indoor humidity levels and keeps your home feeling fresher and more comfortable. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows in humid climates is their ability to improve air circulation. Stagnant air can trap moisture, leading to discomfort and potential issues like mold growth. With adjustable ventilation options, double-hung windows allow you to control airflow throughout the day, helping regulate moisture levels inside your home without relying solely on air conditioning. Modern double-hung windows are also built with moisture-resistant materials that perform well in humid conditions. Frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials resist warping, swelling, and rotting, common problems associated with prolonged moisture exposure. This durability ensures that your windows maintain their shape and function over time, even in challenging environments. Another important factor is energy efficiency. High humidity often goes hand in hand with warm temperatures, which can increase the strain on your cooling system. Double-hung windows with energy-efficient features, such as double or triple-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings, help reduce heat transfer while keeping conditioned air inside. This not only improves comfort but also helps lower energy costs. Humidity can also impact the seals and weather stripping around your windows. High-quality double-hung windows are designed with tight seals that prevent outside air and moisture from entering your home. When properly installed, these seals help maintain a controlled indoor environment, reducing the risk of condensation and improving overall efficiency. Condensation is a common concern in humid climates, but modern window designs help address this issue. Insulated glass units reduce the temperature difference between indoor and outdoor air, minimizing the chances of moisture forming on the glass. This helps keep your windows clear and prevents potential damage to surrounding materials. Ease of maintenance is another reason double-hung windows are well suited for humid environments. Many models feature tilt and sashes, allowing you to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. Regular cleaning helps prevent the buildup of moisture-related residue, such as dirt or mildew, keeping your windows looking and performing their best. Another benefit is their ability to support consistent indoor comfort. By allowing controlled ventilation and maintaining a proper seal when closed, double-hung windows help balance airflow and insulation. This combination ensures your home remains comfortable even when humidity levels fluctuate. Proper installation plays a crucial role in performance. Windows that are not installed correctly may allow moisture to seep into the surrounding structure, leading to long-term damage. Professional installation ensures that flashing, sealing, and insulation are all handled correctly, providing maximum protection against humidity. In addition to functionality, double-hung windows offer a timeless design that fits well with many architectural styles. Their classic appearance adds to your home's visual appeal while still delivering modern performance benefits. Ultimately, double-hung windows are a practical and effective choice for high-humidity environments. Their ability to promote airflow, resist moisture damage, and maintain energy efficiency makes them a reliable solution for homeowners looking to improve comfort and durability. With the right materials, proper installation, and regular maintenance, double-hung windows can handle the challenges of humid conditions while enhancing your home's overall performance and livability.